Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 21 on the topic atomic structure. Let's move on to the assignment. So here the first question. The question is, velocity is a product of, right? We know that velocity c, the light velocity c equal to, it's a product of frequency into wavelength, that is lambda. So generally frequency indicated with nu and lambda is a wavelength. Lambda is wavelength. So generally velocity is a product of frequency and wavelength. So the correct option is the second option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the second question. The question is, unit of velocity is. We know that generally velocity units are, it's the time in the particular distance, how much time we need to travel, right? So for example, if you take, so they have given 4 options, right? So in these 4 options, the units for the velocity is meter per second. It's meter per seconds, or we can measure the velocity in kilometer per hours. So if you see the options, the first option is the meter per second. So the correct option is first one. Let's move on to the next question. So here the question is, the number of waves that passes through a given point in 1 second is called. So we know that, so this is the wave. This is the wave. So upper part of the wave, this is crest, and the lower part of the wave is the trough. So one trough and one crest combined, collectively called as one wave. So up to this part to this part, collectively called as one wave. One wave, right? So the number of waves that passes through a given point in a 1 second. So the number of waves it can passes through a given point is different. For example, for this wave, for 1 second, only one wave has passed for a given certain point. So for example, there is another wave, that wave is like that. So here at 1 second, at certain point, the more number of waves can pass through a certain point, right? So the wave numbers is different in 1 second for each and every wave. So that is called as a frequency. So that indicates the frequency. So the number of waves that passes through a given point in 1 second is called as frequency. So the correct option is the third option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the fourth question. The distance traveled by one wave in 1 second is called dash of light. So this is the wave. Just now we discussed the number of waves passing through a certain point in 1 second is called as frequency, right? So that number of waves, it will travel for certain distance in 1 second, right? In certain point it can travel certain distance. That distance is called as velocity of light. That distance is called as velocity. For example, if you see, in 1 second this wave has passing this much distance. This much distance. So the distance traveled by one wave in 1 second, right? So this one wave in 1 second, this much distance this wave has traveled. So this distance is called as light velocity. So velocity of light. So the correct option is the first option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, the number of waves spread per centimeter or reciprocal of wavelength is called. Generally we know that wavelength wavelength indicate by lambda. So reciprocal of wavelength means, reciprocal of wavelength, it implies 1 by lambda. So it indicates the wave number. So 1 by lambda indicates the wave number. So the correct option is the fourth option. Clear? So with this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.